These are just my sausage patties that I'm putting in my 14-inch tart pan, just like this. Okay, then I'm gonna grab a greased little glassware and I'm gonna squish those sausage patties just like this, just to make sure our sausage forms to our tart pan. Okay, once it's nice and spread it out, go ahead and grab some hash browns. And these are the already seasoned hash browns. They smell so good. You just find them in the refrigerated section, usually right near the eggs. And we'll put them right in there just like this. Make sure there's no big clumps. There's just a nice layer right on top of your sausage, just like this. This is gonna be so good, you guys. All right, now of course with every breakfast, you gotta have some eggs. So I cracked 5 eggs in here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some heavy whipping cream to it, just a splash of heavy whipping cream right into your eggs. That should do it.
That's more than a splash, babe.
Then we're gonna add some seasoning. We have pepper. We have some onion powder, and you can season this to your liking. Whatever you like in your eggs, just throw in there. Some paprika. And then lastly, a little bit of salt. Perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and whisk these up. Make sure you get those yolks nice and broken. We want like a scrambled egg consistency.
Oh, wow,
we're getting there quick.
Fast.
Yeah.
Is that how you're supposed to whisk?
I have no clue. You guys always tell me I whisk wrong, but you know what? As long as the job gets done, I don't really care how you do it.
True. Me neither.
Okay, that looks just about right.
That looks delicious. Literally looks perfect, babe.
And that heavy whipping cream is gonna make it nice and dense and delicious for our sausage tart with our little hash browns. Now we're gonna go ahead and drizzle that right into our tart pan, covering up those hash browns. Ooh, this is gonna be so delicious, you guys.
Wow, I'm like salivating thinking about it.
Beautiful. Okay, now we're almost done here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my triple cheddar and do a nice sprinkle on top of those eggs, just like this. It's gonna be so good. Okay. And then last but not least, I'm gonna grab some washed green onions and just kind of snip some right on top as a nice little garnish. I love green onion with my eggs, with cheddar. So this is just the perfect combination for this breakfast. And of course, you know I love my kitchen scissors. You guys could try to take them away from me, but I'll keep buying them because they're just the easiest kitchen utensil.
Yeah, people love using scissors in the kitchen. I know I do.
That looks gorgeous. Okay, so our sausage, egg, hash brown tart is ready for the oven. I have my oven set to 350, and this is gonna cook for a good 50 minutes. Make sure that sausage is nice and cooked. Would you look at that? It came out so good. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. Okay, so this does have a removable bottom, so we're gonna go ahead and push the bottom out just like this. Woo! All right, easy as that. Look how delicious this came out. Oh my, I cannot wait to try this. It's gonna be incredible.
Smells delicious.
Right? Look at that little sausage, like tart crust. How fun is that? It came out so nice. Okay, I am gonna grab some sriracha because I love sriracha on my eggs. And we are just gonna do a nice little drizzle right on top. Make it nice and pretty. Time to cut this baby open. I know that those eggs are cooked perfectly. Ooh, okay, give it a nice.
sausage looks cooked perfectly too.
Would you look at that? Oh my, that looks so good. That egg, the sausage, the hash browns. Whew. This is gonna be a winner.